Hi, welcome to my channel. This channel is about sharing a better mindset about money. This mindset eventually helps me to earn more financially and change my life forever. I really believe this would be applicable for all of you as well. For my first video, I would like to explain on how to stick to a cash budget with 4 tips and a plan of action. Please spare time to watch this video and let me know your feedback in the comments section. One of the easiest ways to regain control of your finances is by keeping a cash budget. Creating a budget sounds intimidating, but it doesn't have to be difficult. A cash budget is especially helpful if you tend to spend more than you earn. It forces you to track your spending habits and identify areas where you're overspending. If you're ready to take control of your finances and end the stress that comes from not knowing where your money is going, then you need to start tracking expenses with a cash budget. If that sounds scary, let us ease your fears with some helpful tips about how to create and stick to a cash budget in everyday life. Number 1. Create a cash budget with the help of an app. To get started, you'll need to track your income and expenses. For that, we recommend using an app like Acorns. This app will help you track your income, expenses, and investments. You can also set up reminders to help you stay on track. For example, if you need to pay a certain bill every month, you can set up a reminder on your app so you don't miss a payment. It's important to track your income and expenses so you can get a clear picture of where your money is going. That way, you'll know how much you can afford to put toward bills and savings each month. Keep in mind that your cash budget won't be effective if you don't accurately track your expenses. No matter how much you want to save, if you aren't tracking your expenses, it's unlikely that you'll ever be able to save enough to reach your financial goals. Number 2. Track your income and expenses. The best way to start creating a budget is to track your income and expenses. Record all income that comes into your household each month, such as your salary, child support or alimony payments, and any investment income. Record all of your expenses, including your mortgage payment, auto loan payment, credit card payments, utilities, groceries, and any other recurring expenses. Be sure to include both fixed and variable expenses because even the smallest expenses can add up over time. Once you've tracked your income and expenses for a few months, you'll have a better idea of how much you can afford to put towards savings and which bills need to get paid first each month. Number 3. Don't be afraid to cut the fat. Keeping a cash budget will allow you to see where your money is going, which will make it easy to cut unnecessary expenses. If you're spending more than you're making, you'll need to make changes to your spending habits. Let's say you're spending $100 a month on coffee. That may not seem like a lot of money, but when you add that up for a year, you've spent $1,200 on coffee. If you could cut that expense in half, you could save $600 each year. That's enough to pay for 6 months of car insurance or 2 months of your cell phone bill. If you're spending too much money on groceries, you may be buying unnecessary items. Or, you may be eating out too often. If you're spending too much on gas, you may be driving an inefficient vehicle or driving too often. By keeping track of your expenses, you can easily identify unnecessary spending and stop it. Commit to a payment plan. Once you know where your money is going, you can commit to a payment plan. If you have high interest debt, you should start chipping away at it as quickly as possible. You may even want to consider a debt repayment calculator to see what it will take to get out of debt. If you have low interest debt, like a mortgage or student loan, you may want to pay more than the minimum payment each month, which will help you see results even faster. If you have an emergency fund, you should add to it as soon as possible. Even if you only have a few dollars to add to your fund each month, it's still better than nothing, and it will eventually add up. So here is my red line from all those steps. If you've been struggling to stay on top of your finances, a cash budget may be exactly what you need to regain control of your spending habits. Creating a budget is easy when you know where to start. Once you've tracked your income and expenses, it'll be easy to see where your money is going. From there, You can commit to a payment plan for your debt, increase your savings, and make this financial year your best yet. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider to hit that like button, put some thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video.